Hello, I'm Quentin from Leafcloud, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Portainer on an Ubuntu server. You can use Portainer to easily deploy Docker containers and stacks on your server using a GUI. First, we'll go to create.leaf.cloud. Here we'll log in and we'll go to Network, Security Groups. Here we'll create a new security group. We'll call this Ingress TCP Security Group. In this security group, we only have to add one rule, a custom TCP rule, ingress, and then the port will be 9443. There we go, we'll add this security group. Next, we'll launch an instance using this security group. I'll give my instance a name. I'll set the volume size to 10 gigabytes. I'll use Ubuntu 22.04. Then the flavor will be EC1.small, which is big enough for what we're going to do today. And we're going to use the external public network and the new security group we just configured. I'm going to choose my own Keypair that I've made before. If you don't know how to create a Keypair, I have a different tutorial video on that, and I'll link that one in the description. And now we'll launch the instance. Now we'll log into our instance using the CLI. I'll start my terminal and I'll type ssh -i Leafcloud. This is the directory to my SSH key. Now we'll say Ubuntu and then the IP address of the instance. We'll type yes, and now we're logged in. Here you have to type in a few commands, and I'll leave all of those commands in the description so you can just copy them. Okay, so these are our first commands. We'll just run them real quickly. Okay, so now we've updated everything. You can just click on tab, navigate to OK, and then just click on OK. So the previous commands were used to update everything, and now we're going to install a version of Docker. Okay, let's go. Yes. So now we're getting a very similar menu. I'll do the exact same. Just go to OK and click on enter. So next we're creating a volume for Portainer. Okay, we did that. So the next thing we'll do is deploy Portainer by using this command. I'll just put this one in the description so you can just copy it and you don't have to write it over. And then we're going to see if it's up by typing sudo ps sudo docker ps, and yes, we can see that it's running. So now we'll go to the internet and we'll go to https, and then we're going to try and go to our server by using our IP address, and then 9443. There we go. Our connection is not private, that's true, and then we can see that it worked. And here you have to make a password and retype your password and create the user. I'll allow this, do whatever you want. And now we're in Portainer on our server. We can just go to getting started, go to local, and there we go. Now we've configured Portainer on our web server, and as an example, the next thing I'm going to do is deploy a web server using NGINX with Portainer. Well, first we'll go back to our Leafcloud environment and we're going to add another security group. We're going to network security group. What we can also do is just adjust the security group that we've already made by going to our security group, manage rules. Then we're going to add rules. So we're going to add one for the HTTP rule and one for the HTTPS rule. There we go. Now we'll go to Portainer again. We'll go to App Templates. Here we're going to click on NGINX. There we'll go to, we'll just call it NGINX or whatever. Then show advanced options. This is going to be port 80 and this is going to be port 443. Then we'll click on deploy the container. And here we can see both our containers. Then we can go to our IP address on the internet. And there we go. It's working. So today I've showed you how to deploy Portainer on your web server and I've showed you how to deploy NGINX using Portainer. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll try our best to answer them. Bye!